Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Ally Bank online, quick fix step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser on your device. Type in the URL for Ally Bank's official website. Press the enter key to navigate to the home page. Look for the sign in option, typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the sign in button. You will be redirected to the login page. Enter your Ally Bank account email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. Double-check that your email and password are entered correctly. If you wish to stay logged in on that device, check the Remember Me option. If you have forgotten your password, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it. Follow the prompted steps to reset your password if necessary. Once you have confirmed your details, click the Sign In button. Wait for the page to reload, and you should be logged into your Ally Bank account. If you encounter any issues, consider clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Alternatively, try using a different web browser or device. You can also reach out to Ally Bank's customer support for further assistance if needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.